back to Ducky Boy 200 with my girlfriend, and today we are going back on our gaming channel, and we are going to be playing Wildcraft with my girlfriend. Say hi, Sophia.
Hi. I cannot find the Asher.
Okay, so she's trying to charge her as while I am going to be Ducky Boy. If you guys want me to friend you guys in Roblox, just so you know, I started a new account. So it might take a while. Might take a while. Hopefully you guys will join right now and also please leave a like and subscribe on this video so my parents will let me have some merchandise to sell. Okay. Looks like we're a wolf. We have level 18 now. We're pretty good. Hopefully. Who's Cookie? Dude.
I'm gonna join in 1 second.
Dude, you just joined the channel of a YouTuber.
I know.
A vid.
So guys, there's gonna be some people that are gonna join on his world. But if you have this world, look for the name Ducky Boy.
Yeah, guys, I would really appreciate that. Cookie is still chatting here. He's taking a while. And Spirit right here is a horse.
Okay, I'm joining.
You're joining? Okay.
Yeah. Oh, of course I'm being Bones because it's a girl. I'm a female.
Question mark. Question mark. I'm gonna tell.
Okay, I'm joining. Okay. Oh, where are you? Join game.
Hang on, I'm gonna say.
It shows there's no one on.
Sub.
It shows there's no one on.
To Ducky _
So guys, I'm gonna be a
boy.
wolf. So you know.
Yeah, we're all gonna be wolves. Ducky
Hey Keaton, can you join me?
_ no.
Why?
Boy.
Because I cannot join you. Can you leave the game?
_ no.
Why?
Gaming.
Refresh. Look. Play. Look. Keaton.
So,
look. Keaton. Look.
Well, then refresh. Or just get off the thing and reset it.
Okay.
So do I, dude. So do I, dude.
What is the guy talking about?
It says he's a YouTuber too, or she probably. I don't know. Okay, let's see here, guys.
What did he say? What did he say?
It's not a he, it's a she.
Of course, I'm gonna be the girl. And also, why is the fox going after you?
I don't know.
Him.
I don't know. Oh.
Found you.
Okay, now play. Skibbity dum 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 dum, yes. Skibbity dip, skibbity dum, skibbity dubbity dub. This game is free and it's very, very realistic.
Unless you're on a different type of tablet.
Unless you're on a different type of device. Oh, I got upgraded. I'm gonna eat this.
Okay, I'm on.
I'm gonna eat it, boy.
Hunt, you guys are about to meet me.
Now
I just need to know. Oh, hello. Hunt.
Oh, hi. Bones is Sophia.
Hi. Oh, I'm gonna go to check this thing.
Dude, chill.
This thing's not even fighting me.
I'm not.
Keaton, this thing's not even fighting me. And Keaton,
what?
This thing's not attacking me.
Wait, what isn't attacking you?
This.
What? I don't see anything.
The fox.
I don't see it. You're glitching.
Oh.
That fox was dead already. That fox is dead.
I'm gonna be right back. Oh my, this just takes forever. I think it's a bad Wi-Fi.
No, our Wi-Fi isn't better. My Wi-Fi never lags.
Mine does. A lot.
Whoa. 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 Dude. Leave now.
Who are you talking to?
Cookie, because she just is doing stuff I'm not going to say. Dude,
Oh,
leave.
like the bad words?
Yes. Dude, leave now. Dude, I need to literally ban this person.
Can you ban him?
No, but I wish I... Hang on, let me go to see the people that are on. Okay, let's...
I'm on.
Who is on? Players. Cookie. Dude, I'm just reporting her. I need to ban her. How do you ban?
This girl?
Guys, I'm very sorry.
Can you help me with this? He has a pet? That's not fair, man.
Everybody has a pet.
We don't. Where are you, man? Keaton, where are you?
Hey, I'm trying to figure out how much health he has. 3, 4, bucks some more, 5, 6, Nike kiss.
Oh, that's Cookie.
Leave or I will. Leave or I will.
Yeah, I would leave if I would leave.
You jerk.
This guy's just mean. Do you really think you're the boss?
You're just mean.
He thinks he's the boss.
And no.
I'm giving him a nope. I'm not challenging. I'm not challenging him. Actually, I'm gonna be him.
Dude, guys, I'm very sorry. Cookie is just like a hater of my channel.
Should we leave?
Probably.
Yeah, I'm leaving. Leave.
So?
Just leave.
I know.
Leave. Keaton, leave.
You can't. You can't.
He can't what?
Decline. I'm just declining it.
Hun.
We're playing Wildcraft.
You should buy it. I'm reading your brother does not understand it.
Yeah.
Spirit just had a mad face.
Spirit's happy that we're trying to bust him out. No.
I'm just doing a lot of mad face.
Can we just play a different server?
Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna play a different server. That guy is weird.
And also
A very, 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 very big jerk.
yes. I just don't want to say it. You join me.
Okay, that's fair. Yeah, because then they won't know.
Ready? And create.
Create,
I'm
join.
making 4 players.
No. Okay, fine. Refresh.
Do this. Join again.
Join game. Refresh.
Do this again.
No, stop. I know how my iPad works.
Okay.
Bones. Okay, this should be no haters gonna hate. Right, Sophia?
Yeah.
This is a Ducky Boy's haters no zone. Where are you, Sophia?
I'm behind you.
Oh, so that I literally where? Oh, I see you. Buckle my shoe. I dare you to a duel.
No, I got a deer.
Please, one duel.
I got a deer.
Let me help you.
I mean, I got a rabbit. You want some?
Oh yeah, where is it?
I'm having one. You can have more.
Where is it?
Where I am.
Where are you? Oh, I see you. 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
3, 4.
Okay, I need to. Can you move? Can you move out of the way?
Oh,
I
a
can't eat this rabbit.
unicorn.
There's a unicorn here.
Yes.
There's a unicorn here.
There's a
random person sub to Ducky _boy gaming. Random person sub to Ducky Boy Gaming. And you guys should too. Bones. Follow me.
Yes.
Buckle my shoes.
3, 4.
Buckle some more.
5.
So you know what we need to do?
What?
We need to kill 5 boars.
I need to kill
1.
2.
If you
trash cans.
Trash pandas?
Yes. Raccoons, yes.
I'm taller than you.
And 1 deer. Because you're a boy.
And boys. Yeah. And boys are awesome. And so are girls. Oh, I see that trash panda you're talking about. Come here, Sophia.
Oh, I found a bowl.
I found the trash panda. Where are you? I'm gonna get the trash panda to follow me. Uh-oh, somebody knocked on the door.
Oh.
Hopefully it's not for you. We should probably let them in. I mean, I'm pausing myself.
Yeah, me too. Guys, if this is in...
Then... Uh-oh. Yep, it's for you. Guys, like and subscribe, and I will see you when I see you.